first glance, it's alluring. It's enticing. It's captivating. In one word, it's beautiful. Redefining instant water heaters. Minibot. Why settle for ordinary? Beautify your bathroom with modern minimalistic design. Get instant hot water with high-powered glass-coated Incolloy heating element. Longer life in toughest water conditions with Blue Diamond glass-lined tank. Designed for high-rise buildings with 8-bar tank pressure rating. Stronger construction quality with tank thickness of 2 millimeters. 2 times compared to an ordinary instant water heater. Minibot, a water heater that's beautiful outside and feature-rich inside. Instant water heaters will never be the same. We have raised the bar. Bring home the Minibot. Why settle for ordinary?